Yes. Now we'll discuss about the exercise B. Now exercise B tells us that choose suitable adjectives from the one given in the complete following sentence. Now towards the right hand side we have a box, and in that box all the superlative degrees are there. I told you when we compare more than two elements it's called the superlative, and we add es to the word. So over here we have all superlative degree, and from there you have to choose it correctly and fill the blank. Now first I'll review. Yesterday was dash day of this winter. So it was a, we'll say, coldest day. Okay. The next, don't swim in the dash part of the pool. The deepest part of the pool. So seeing the correct words from the box and fill it in the blanks. Okay. This will do the exercise of exercise B. All the questions of exercise B. Now coming to exercise C. You see the pictures have been given on the right hand side, and to the left hand side the questions have been given. Okay, the blanks have been given. Now you have to see the pictures and fill the blanks. For example, the dash pencil has longer strip on it. Okay, so it will be the dash pencil. Always remember children, I told you we use the with the superlative degree, right? So the longest pencil has strips on it. So that way we have to do. Next, a table is dashed than the wardrobe. Now always remember, when we use comparison between two, we use than, and than comes when in the comparative degree. Okay, so here a table is smaller than a wardrobe. Okay, a table is smaller than a wardrobe. So always remember, when we do comparison in comparative degree we use than. If you're doing superlative degree we use the. Okay, all right. Next, come to the last exercise of this chapter. This is exercise D. I taught you the positive, comparative, superlative. Similarly, you have to do that one also. Okay. See, the adjectives have been given in the what do you call blocks. Okay, 3 blocks are there, or we can say 3 boxes are there. The first one is the adjective, that's called the positive. Okay, we have nice, nicer, nicest, fine, finer, finest, bright, brighter, brightest, close, closer, closest, neat, neater, neatest, clean, cleaner, cleanest. So in this way we have to do the exercise D. I hope children there won't be any thing apart from this. If you have any difficulties, just let me know. Now before concluding, there are certain adjectives are there which do not come or fall under this category. They changes when the comparison takes place. For example, see, good, it changes into better and best, right? These are certain adjectives which do not change according to the comparison, but they have their own way of change. Okay, like good, better, best. Then you have little, less, least. Then you have bad, worse, worst. The reason of telling you this is that because certain exercises or certain examples relate to this. That means certain adjectives do not follow the category, do not follow the symbol of ER and EST. They simply change accordingly. So words like good converts into better when it's comparative, and becomes when it's superlative. Okay. Similarly, little becomes less in comparative and least in superlative. Similarly, bad become worse in comparative and worse in superlative. So these are the words which help us to know which category they belong and how to distinguish the categories that we are learning. So with this we conclude the chapter. If you have any difficulties in understanding, let me know. Thank you children.